Hi everyone and welcome to Beet the Rush. Today we're cooking vegetarian chili. In a small bowl, mix half a cup of soybeans, 1 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of vegetarian Worcestershire sauce. Let it soak for at least half an hour. Chop 1 onion and 2 garlic cloves. Deseed and chop 1 red chili and 1 jalapeno. To a pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, the onion, the garlic, the red chili and the jalapeno. Saute over medium heat for 5 minutes. Add half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper. Add 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 1 can of water, and 10 grams of dark chocolate. Add 1 can of drained kidney beans. Drain the soybeans and add it to the pan. Cook over medium heat for 30 minutes. Serve with your favorite toppings and enjoy. Look for the recipe in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe for more vegetarian recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.